morning, SK. I'm Adri Schaefer.
And I'm Maddie Martin. Welcome to the first B-Day of second semester.
That was a sneak peek of the ROTC drill meet from Saturday.
South Kitsap placed first in precision marksmanship and second in academics. Great job, Wolves. With things just starting up, we've got a lot of news for you.
So be sure to tune in.
Juniors, if you're interested in a career at PSNS, sign up for the work-study presentation on February 12th. Sign up in the Career Center. Don't miss this informative presentation on how you can become a PSNS employee while still in high school. And to all students intending to apply to OC, the AccuPlacer date has been changed to Thursday after school in the library. You can still sign up until the 5th by paying $20 at the ASB window.
With the winter sports season just beginning to wind down, we got some sports results for you. Swim competed this weekend.
Boys basketball C team lost a hard-fought game, 37-40.
JV and varsity also sadly lost their games.
Leading scorers for varsity from Baden Siegerman and Kyler Kelso.
Congratulations to the ladies bowling team for finishing second in districts. Please congratulate Abigail Rogers, Annabelle McElhaney, Maxine Winslow, Lexi Clark, Ariana Conrad, Jillian Sorelli, and Layla Heiser on a great job. They'll now be heading to state this Friday and Saturday. Best of luck, ladies.
If you missed out on all the action, be sure to take a look at the schedule of events.
Go out and support our Wolves.
Rolling into club dues, all DECA members, your $80 payment, DECA Form A, and SKHS permission slips are due today. Please get these documents to Ms. Fighter ASAP.
And for everyone else, the clubs meeting today are Magic the Gathering, Philosophy, Journalism, ASL, STEM, Green Team, and Shades of Color.
And Key Club is the only club meeting tomorrow. D&D is canceled for the next 2 Tuesdays, but will be starting up again on the 25th.
Hey Maddie, do you know what's coming up soon?
Valentine's Day.
Well, I mean that too, but I was actually talking about Tello. It's at the end of the month on the 29th.
Tickets will be on sale starting next Monday. The prices will increase each week, but be aware that lines are long and you may not always get your ticket on the day you want. If you're planning on bringing someone from another school, you will need to get a guest pass from the main office.
2 weeks ago, South held the first ever staff talent show. The winner of the Best Act Award goes to Staff Infection. Great job. And if you haven't heard, there's a new tardy policy.
Hey South, are you aware of the new tardy system coming next semester? No? Then I've got some news for you. When a student arrives to school anytime after the 7:25 bell, 8:10 on Wednesday, they must check in at the attendance office so their arrival time is documented. When a student is tardy to class from the previous class or lunch, they don't go to the attendance office. They go straight to class and don't check in. If you're going to leave off campus or come back from off campus, they will check out and in through the attendance office. Don't forget, South, these tardy changes will come in effect today. Now back to the studio.
Make sure to follow these new protocols.
Well, it looks like we've come to the end of another episode of WTV.
It's the first B-Day of the semester, so let's make the most of it.
Have a great day, SK.